Hello everyone, I am Yogesh Kumar and my roll number is 20GG248. Our project is called Smart Irrigation System, as you can see. And as we all know that irrigation is the artificial application of water to the land or soil to assist in the growing of agriculture crops. Um, our project is based on the behavior of soil moisture, air humidity, temperature, and water level in the soil. And for this we have placed some devices like a temperature sensor, a microcontroller, a power supply, and a H-bridge motor driver. And our objectives for this project are to reduce the manpower and conserve water, and to sense um, and to get a real-time sensing and control, to get the output of soil water sensor and provide water to the crop, and to observe other parameters for better yield. And yeah, uh, this project uh, is made by four members, namely Ajit Pashwan, he managed the coding part, Yogesh Kumar, that is me, responsible for the circuit diagram, Karan Anil Vaishnav, he managed the research and info collection part, followed by Anupam Vagish, he is the handler for presentation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ajit Paswan. Now we move ahead. Here is circuit diagram of our project. The things which are used in this project are respectively sensor, microcontroller, power supply, DC motor for watering in the plants, and H-bridge motor driver to supply sufficient amount of power to DC motor so that DC motor work properly. In sensor we have used temperature sensor uh, to measure the temperature of soil. In microcontroller, we have used Arduino Uno R3. We have used this soil temperature sensor to regulate the watering for plants according to requirement. And now we will see how it works. Our first logic is that effects of soil temperature at consumption of soil moisture by plants. From net, we have collected some data. These are respectively at 21 degrees Celsius, 100% moisture, nearly 100% moisture used for growth of the plant. Near about 38 degrees Celsius, 15% of moisture used for growth of plant, and 85% moisture lost through evaporation and transpiration. At nearly 50 degrees Celsius, organic matter present in soil may burn out. Now, moving to the Tinkercad model. Here is our model. This one is Arduino Uno. This one our DC motor for watering the for watering the plant. Um, Here is our soil temperature sensor. It measures temperature of soil, and this one is H-bridge motor driver. Now moving to the coding part. I had set the lower limit of temperature 21 degrees Celsius and upper degree of upper temperature as a 38 degrees Celsius, because we have seen earlier that uh, moisture started loss soil started losing moisture when it above 38 degrees Celsius. So to maintain the soil moisture when temperature exceed 38 degrees Celsius, our DC motor it started running automatically. Let's see how it works. Here we can see temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. That's why our DC motor is not running. If we increase temperature at 35 degrees Celsius, it's not running. Now um, it started running when temperature crosses 38 degrees Celsius. This one is 48 degrees Celsius, and this one is 68 degrees Celsius. When temperature exceeds the high, higher limit of temperature, then it's started running.
Hello, this is Anupam Vagish, roll number 20MT30006. Now, coming to the advantages of Arduino software, you don't require much knowledge to get started. The use of this software has fairly low cost and it depends on the shields you need. There are lots of sketches and shields available, and you don't need an external programmer or power supply. Now, talking about the disadvantages, there is no understanding of the AVR microcontroller. Sketches and shields can be difficult to modify in this software. There is no debugger included for checking the scripts, and you do not get any experience of C or professional development tools. Now, coming to the advantages of using the smart irrigation system. You get an increase in productivity, you get reduced water consumption. There is no manpower required in using this system. The soil erosion and nutrient leaching is reduced, and we require smaller water resources. Now, concluding, I would say this smart irrigation system is feasible and very cost effective. This irrigation system allows cultivation in places with scarcity in water. It proves that the use of water can be diminished, and the use of solar power in this system is significantly important for organic crops. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Karan, roll number 20ME 30027. Here we have get some reliable images from net. In first image you can see more than one motor and sensor can be used. Currently we didn't have work on it, but in future we will try when we met. Uh, Now I will tell about the future scopes. The smart irrigation system extends watering time for plants and provide ideal growth conditions. It saves time, and timer delays as per the environment conditions can be added for automatic watering. This smart irrigation system can be adjusted and modified according to the changing environment. Now uh, we would like to thank to our professor and all the TH for their guidance throughout their semester. Thank you all.